I usually talk about AI models, LLMs, and chatbots on this channel, but today we need to talk about hardware, and it is coming from the absolute last place you would ever expect. If I told you the company behind one of the world's most famous AI art generators just pivoted to healthcare hardware, would you even believe me? I'm talking about Midjourney. Yes, the AI art generator company Midjourney. They have built a futuristic, radiation-free medical scanner that maps your entire body using sound waves and water. It completely blew my mind when I saw the announcement. We are stepping out of the digital generation space and into real-world sci-fi tech. Let's break down exactly what the Midjourney scanner is, how this crazy tech actually works, and why an AI art company is suddenly trying to scan your internal organs. What is the primary function of the newly announced Midjourney scanner? The answer is A. Midjourney's new healthcare initiative aims to use ultrasonic waves to create detailed 3D maps of the human body. Which company did Midjourney partner with for the ultrasound-on-chip technology? The answer is C. Midjourney signed an agreement to secure exclusive rights to Butterfly Network's ultrasound-on-chip technology. What animal did Midjourney compare its underwater sensors to? The answer is dolphins. Because the scanner relies on sending sound waves through water to map your body, Midjourney compared it to dolphin echolocation. How is a user meant to physically experience the scanning process? The answer is lowered into a water pool. Users step onto a platform that slowly lowers them into a pool of water surrounded by underwater ultrasonic sensors. Where is the first public Midjourney spa scheduled to open? Midjourney plans to open its first 24/7 spa in the heart of San Francisco at the end of 2027. Approximately how long does it take for the scanner to complete a full body scan? The answer is A. The target scan time for the ultrasonic system is under 60 seconds, which is significantly faster than traditional MRIs. By 2031, what is the total number of scanners Midjourney aims to deploy worldwide? Midjourney has an ambitious goal to deploy more than 50,000 scanners globally to handle 1 billion scans a month. The Midjourney scanner relies on high levels of radiation to generate its 3D body maps. True or false? False. The system uses ultrasonic sound waves and water to create the images. Who officially unveiled the Midjourney scanner at the San Francisco launch event? Midjourney founder and CEO David Holz personally unveiled the company's unexpected pivot into health hardware. Which former Apple employee is leading the Midjourney medical hardware project? Ahmad Abbas, who joined Midjourney after working at Apple, is leading the hardware development team. The scanner relies heavily on generative AI to synthesize the initial 3D body scans. False. Holz stated there is no generative AI used in the actual scanning process. What is the current regulatory status of the Midjourney scanner? The device currently produces body composition maps and has no FDA diagnostic clearance yet, which they plan to acquire over time. Aside from scanners, what other amenities are planned for the Midjourney spa? The massive San Francisco spa will include hot tubs, saunas, cold plunges, and a gym to make healthcare relaxing. How much is Midjourney paying Butterfly Network annually to license their chip technology? The answer is C. Midjourney pays a $15 million one-time fee and a $10 million annual license fee over a 5-year term. The medical scanner is one of how many total projects currently in development at Midjourney? The answer is B. David Holz revealed that Midjourney is currently focused on 8 projects, split evenly between hardware and software. Which image accurately represents how you take a scan with the Midjourney scanner? Image A is the correct choice. You stand on a platform that lowers you into a pool of water, not a loud magnetic tube. Which symbol applies to the core technology of the new Midjourney scanner? The answer is ultrasound. It uses ultrasound on chip technology and water because it uses sound waves. There is zero radiation involved. Where does Midjourney plan to install their first public scanners in late 2027? Luxury Spa is the answer. They are building a massive 24/7 Midjourney spa in San Francisco with saunas and cold plunges. What are your thoughts? Are more companies going to pivot into the hardware space with AI commoditizing software? Maybe that is why Midjourney pivoted, seeing how difficult it is to make money with generative AI. I personally believe there will be more to come.